In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Smartsheet account. Before we get started, keep in mind that deleting your account is a permanent action. It can impact any sheets, reports, dashboards, or automations associated with your profile. So if there's anything you might need later, this is a good time to sign into Smartsheet and download or export any important data you want to keep. Once you're comfortable moving forward, you're ready to follow along. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account in a web browser. You'll want to be on the main Smartsheet interface where you can see your sheets and workspace area. Look toward the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile section. This is usually represented by your initials, a small avatar, or a profile icon. Click on that profile icon in the bottom left corner. When you do, a small menu will appear with a few different options related to your account. This is where you can access your personal settings, your plan information, and your billing details. From that menu, look for the option labeled Plan and Billing Info, or something very similar. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the area of Smartsheet where you manage your subscription details. It may open in the same tab or a new one, depending on your browser, so give it a moment to load. On the Plan and Billing page, you'll see information about your current plan, your renewal date, and your payment method. Take a second to confirm that you're on the correct account, especially if you have access to multiple Smartsheet environments through work or different email addresses. Now, on this same page, look for the option that says Cancel Account. This is the control you'll use to start the deletion process. Click on Cancel Account. After you click, Smartsheet may show you a confirmation message or a short survey asking why you're cancelling. Read any warnings carefully so you understand what will happen to your data, your access, and any collaborators who might be affected. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. Once you've completed those steps, your Smartsheet account will be scheduled for cancellation according to their policies. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the correct area and initiated the deletion of your Smartsheet account.